Ever wondered how pies in a tin are made? These delightful dishes are loved by many across various cultures and are a staple in many households. They come in various flavors, including sweet fruit fillings and hearty meat mixtures. The convenience and deliciousness of these pies make them a popular choice for meals or snacks. In this video, we will walk you through every step of the production process, from sourcing the raw materials to the final packaging and distribution. By the end, you will have a deep understanding of how these tasty treats are created in factories, ensuring they are ready for your table. The journey of making pies in a tin starts with sourcing raw materials, which is a vital first step in the process. The main ingredients for these items typically include a pastry crust, filling, and various seasonings. The quality of these ingredients is crucial, as it significantly affects the taste and texture of the final product. Many manufacturers aim to source ingredients locally, supporting regional agriculture while also ensuring freshness. For instance, vegetables such as carrots, peas, and potatoes are often obtained from nearby farms, allowing the factories to use them at their peak ripeness. This not only enhances the flavor, but also reduces the carbon footprint associated with transporting goods over long distances. When it comes to meat, especially for savory varieties, sourcing is equally important. Producers often build long-term relationships with local farmers and butchers, ensuring a reliable supply of high-quality meat. This can include chicken, beef, or pork, depending on the type of pie being produced. After the ingredients arrive at the factory, they undergo a strict inspection process. Quality control teams evaluate the freshness of vegetables, checking for vibrant colors and firmness. Any ingredient that does not meet these rigorous standards is discarded, ensuring that only the best components enter the production line. Once the raw materials are gathered, we proceed to the initial cleaning and preparation stage. This step is crucial for eliminating any contaminants that might be present in the raw ingredients. For vegetables, this typically involves soaking them in a mixture of water and a mild cleaning solution to remove dirt and potential pesticides. After soaking, each ingredient is scrubbed to ensure they are thoroughly clean. In larger factories, industrial washing machines are often used to speed up this process. These machines can handle hundreds of kilograms of vegetables simultaneously, ensuring that every piece is consistently cleaned to maintain ingredient quality. After cleaning, the vegetables must be prepared for the filling. This preparation often includes chopping or dicing the stems into uniform pieces, which ensures even cooking later in the process. Factories utilize automated cutting machines for this task, allowing them to process several hundred kilograms of vegetables each hour. The size of these pieces is crucial, as it affects both cooking time and the overall texture of the filling. At the same time, the meat is also prepared by trimming away excess fat and cutting it into small, manageable pieces, which is essential for achieving even cooking and a pleasant mouthfeel. If you're enjoying this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have more exciting content coming your way about how your favorite foods are made, so don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Following the initial cleaning and preparation, we reach the primary processing stage where raw ingredients are transformed into the delicious filling for the pies. The meat and vegetables are combined and cooked together with various seasonings to create a flavorful mixture. This cooking process usually occurs in large industrial kettles that maintain precise temperature controls. For instance, the meat might be sautéed at a temperature of around 180 degrees Celsius for several minutes before the vegetables are added. This method allows the flavors to meld together beautifully, resulting in a rich and savory filling that becomes the heart of the pie. During this cooking process, vegetables are generally steamed or boiled separately to help retain their color and nutrients. The cooking time for vegetables is typically brief, lasting only a few minutes to ensure they remain tender yet crisp. Once both the meat and ingredients are cooked, they are mixed in large mixing tanks, along with essential seasonings, which could include a blend of herbs, spices, and sauces. This step is vital, as it enhances the overall flavor of the filling, creating a delicious taste that consumers expect from high-quality pies. Once the filling is prepared, we move on to the next essential step, preparing the pastry dough. The dough is a crucial component, providing both structure and texture. In factories, large mixers are used to combine flour, water, and fat, usually butter or margarine, to create the dough. The mixing process is closely monitored to ensure the right consistency is achieved. Overmixing can result in a tough texture, while undermixing can lead to a crumbly product. Once the dough reaches the desired consistency, It is rolled out into thin sheets and cut into circular shapes to fit the tins. The thickness of the dough is critical. It needs to be sturdy enough to hold the filling while remaining flaky and light once baked. After the pastry has been rolled out and cut, the next step is assembling. This is done by placing the dough circles into specially designed tins made from metal or heat-resistant materials. The base dough is placed into the tin, followed by a careful spooning of the filling. It is essential not to overfill, as this can lead to leakage during cooking. A second circle of dough is placed on top, and the edges are crimped to create a seal. This not only prevents the filling from escaping during baking, but also adds an attractive finish to the treats, making them more appealing to consumers. After assembling, the next critical step is baking, which transforms the ingredients into the delicious treats we all enjoy. The tins are placed in large industrial ovens that can accommodate numerous portions simultaneously. The baking temperature typically ranges from 180 to 200 degrees Celsius, and they are cooked for approximately 20 to 30 minutes. The exact baking time can vary based on the size and specific recipe being used. This baking process is essential for developing the pastry's flaky texture and golden color. Careful control of both temperature and time ensures that each is evenly cooked, resulting in a delightful product. Once baked, the items must cool slightly before packaging. This cooling stage is important as it allows steam to escape, preventing the crust from becoming soggy. After cooling, they are ready to be packaged, which is a critical step in maintaining quality and freshness. Many manufacturers use automated packaging machines that can rapidly package thousands in an hour. They are placed in boxes or trays, which are then sealed with plastic film or lids to protect them from contamination and damage during transport. Hygiene is paramount during the packaging process. Strict cleanliness protocols must be followed to ensure that the products remain safe for consumption. Workers must wear gloves and hairnets, and regular cleaning of all surfaces and equipment is mandatory. Packaging also provides essential information to consumers, including ingredient lists, nutritional information, and cooking instructions, ensuring that customers know what they are purchasing. After packaging, they are stored under controlled conditions to maintain quality. Depending on the type and desired shelf life, they may be refrigerated or frozen. Refrigerated items typically have a shorter shelf life, needing to be consumed within a few weeks, while frozen options can last for several months or even longer. The storage facilities are designed to keep the temperature consistent, preventing fluctuations that could affect product quality. Next comes the distribution phase. Once packaged and stored, they are transported to retailers or distributors. This journey often involves a complex logistics network, ensuring that items reach their destination safely and in optimal condition. Trucks equipped with refrigeration units are commonly used for transport, maintaining a cold chain to preserve quality during transit. Depending on regional demand, they may be sent to local grocery stores, larger supermarkets, or food service companies that supply restaurants and cafes. Before reaching the shelves, they typically undergo further quality checks. Random samples are taken from each batch to ensure they meet the required standards for taste, texture, and appearance. This step is crucial for maintaining the brand's reputation and ensuring consumers receive a consistent product. Once they pass quality control, they are ready to be displayed for purchase, bringing them one step closer to the consumer. The entire process of making pies in a tin is both detailed and meticulous, involving careful sourcing of ingredients, thorough cleaning and preparation, precise cooking, and careful packaging. Each step is designed to ensure that the final product is of the highest quality, providing consumers with a delicious and convenient meal option. It is fascinating to see how much care and attention goes into each one, ensuring that every bite is a delightful experience. Moreover, in recent years, there has been a growing trend towards sustainability in food production. Many manufacturers are now focusing on using organic ingredients and environmentally friendly packaging. This shift not only meets the rising consumer demand for healthier options, but also helps to reduce the overall environmental impact of food production. By sourcing organic vegetables and free-range meats, producers can ensure that their items are made with quality ingredients that are better for both consumers and the planet. Another exciting development in the industry is the introduction of innovative flavors and fillings. While traditional meat and ingredient combinations remain popular, many companies are experimenting with new ingredients, including exotic spices and unique vegetable blends. This creativity has resulted in a diverse range that caters to various tastes and dietary preferences. For example, vegetarian and vegan options have become increasingly common, featuring hearty fillings made from lentils, chickpeas, and a variety of vegetables. These alternatives not only provide delicious options for those who do not consume meat, but also introduce new flavor profiles that appeal to a wider audience. In addition to new flavors, manufacturers are also exploring different types of pastry. While the classic flaky crust is still the standard, some companies are developing gluten-free and whole grain options. This innovation allows them to cater to consumers with dietary restrictions or preferences, ensuring that everyone can enjoy a delicious pie in a tin. By continually adapting to consumer demands and trends, pie manufacturers can maintain their relevance in a competitive market. If you enjoyed learning about the journey of making these delightful foods, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We're excited to bring you more insights on food production, so stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to sharing more fascinating content with you.